The OnePlus most anticipated phone called OnePlus 13 is now official in China, with built-in AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus 13 features a tall 6.82-inch 2K resolution 8T LTPO OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by Crystal Shield super ceramic glass on the top, and it includes Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8E Lite chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12, 16 or 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus 13 sports an Hasselblad-featured triple camera setup under the circular ring at the top left corner, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's Lite-808 sensor. And it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, with 100 watts wired flash charging, 50 watts wireless flash charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, based on ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.9 by 76.5 by 8.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus 13 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Dawn White, Obsidian Black, and Leather Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.